Good morning everyone, it is a bright sunny Saturday morning, 7 a.m., but I'm already wide and awake because today we've got Science Bowl competitions. I'm excited. Well, it turns out there was some snow from last night. Look at that. Good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Here we are at Stanford's Linear Accelerator Laboratory again. So all this week, forecasters have been saying that there might be snow in San Francisco for the first time in 30 some odd years. Specifically, there would be snow last night. So needless to say, I was kind of surprised when it was really bright and sunny yesterday afternoon. But I guess it turns out it did snow in some parts of San Francisco, and there was also sleet on the cars this morning.
Out A1 first, A2, A3, etc., and then we'll end up.
So we had kind of a weird turnout. We won 2 and lost 2, so now we have to do a tiebreaker. And it's a 3-way tiebreaker, so it's either hit or miss. Hopefully, something good will turn out. But in any case, this was a fun experience, as always. So we didn't win that tiebreaker, but that's okay. So now we're just heading back to school. Wow, today's been a pretty tiring day, and last night I went to sleep at 1 a.m. because I stayed up editing a video. So I went in a competition, well, I wasn't really half asleep because I was really excited and everything. But overall, yeah, Science Bowl was a really fun learning opportunity, and this is of course the last year I'm going to be able to do Science Bowl. So, I'm unexpectedly out here in downtown San Jose. My parents have a wedding banquet sort of thing to go to, and I wasn't officially invited, so I thought I'd just tag along and explore downtown by myself with camcorder in hand. Oh, by the way, downtown San Jose is awesome. They have free Wi-Fi. So it looks like I kinda headed off to the wrong direction. I'm around SJSU, but I wanted to head towards the Tech Museum where more of the restaurants are. Yep, San Jose State. Event Center, San Jose State University. Is it just me, or do so many of the CSUs look the same? Hey, you could start to see some of the stars. Maybe not really in the camera. Okay, looks like I'm heading back into downtown again. I'm hungry, gotta find something to eat. So, what kind of restaurants are good for solo diners? Maybe Jack in the Box? McDonald's? Or maybe this place, Pizza My Heart. Man, my sense of direction is really bad. I actually wish I had a compass. Well, I originally wanted to walk a bit more before finding some place to eat, but yeah, I figured I'm hungry enough, so I'll just eat here. Interesting crowd in there. There was a group of really rowdy SJSU students. I wonder if I'll be like that when I go to college. There were a lot of families. There was this cute father-daughter pair, and then there were also 2 police officers I walked in. And they parked right in the middle of the road. Downtown. There's still Christmas lights out. It's actually pretty chilly out here tonight, so just in case, I got this thing of red chili flakes from the pizza place. I do some weird things sometimes. So I've now turned off the main street, and this little parky sort of place looks kind of interesting, so I'm going to explore. So according to my iPod, this little area here is called Christmas in the Park. I don't see where it gets its namesake from. Just your typical park benches. But if you just stop once in a while to observe some of the things that you so easily pass by, maybe you'll find something interesting. The buildings out here are all so pretty. And there's the Tech Museum with the IMAX theater. So after having wandered San Jose downtown for a while, I just realized it's so much better than downtown SF. There's less traffic, it's cleaner. this thing's running again. I could just sit and watch this for hours. Wow, that display is really amazing. But after standing there for a while, I got kind of OCD trying to track all the different paths that the balls would take. So now I'm just going to continue on my little exploration journey. So I decided just to head back here to the Marriott, just to take a break. Some of you may know this, but sometimes I just like hanging out around hotels or in hotel lobbies, just randomly. So I'm just hanging out at the huge San Jose Convention Center. It's completely empty right now, probably because there are no meetings going on. When I'm in college, wherever that might be, I'm gonna go exploring all the time. The airport is really close here, so all these planes fly by all the time. So right now I'm heading back to the restaurant where my parents are, so I can pick up my computer or something. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I'm either gonna stay in the car and surf the web, or go to some restaurant and eat some more. Now, I don't actually know why, but I actually spent an hour in the restaurant sitting with my parents. Oh, and Serena is here too. But it's about 9:30 right now, so I'll just do a little quick exploring before getting ready to go home. It's kind of strange. As the sun was setting when I just got here, it was really cold out. But as it got darker, it actually got warmer. So I said earlier that I like downtown San Jose better than downtown San Francisco. But a few weeks ago, I was in downtown San Mateo, and I have to say that that was probably the best downtown I've ever been to. It was quaint, quirky, and just overall really fun. But you know, that's one of the things I really like about exploration, just taking some time to discover the unknown. Because you really don't know what's out there, what you can find, until you see it for yourself. Sometimes you explore with other people, but if not, that's fine too. I explore by myself all the time. Well, at least with my camera as my companion anyway. Because when I have my camera, I can document both what I see and my reflections, instead of having to do it, retrospectively. So if you know of any cool places around the Bay Area, places to get lost, places to get food, let me know. Originally today I decided to vlog because I actually had a somewhat interesting topic to talk about, but after the Science Bowl I just went kind of brain dead and decided to scrap that idea. But I guess at least this has turned into a pretty cool exploration vlog. So later this week and throughout the weekend, I'm going to be in Southern California, and guess what I'm going to be doing? More exploring! Alright, so today really has been a long day. So good night everyone, join me again next time for another fantastic adventure.